All right, so today I saw two intriguing headlines from two separate liberal financial websites that made me hope that their readers, maybe if they read them both, can connect the dots, right? First, I'll start with Business Insider, quoting a founder of Panera Bread saying that employees today aren't motivated by the idea of making money for shareholders, quoting, nobody cares. Now, he pointed to TikTokers, and I looked at a couple of those videos, making these satirical videos on the exact subject, and said that therapists belong in the C-suite to help management understand employees' motivations. Now, I got to be honest, I don't care what anyone says. You can be ideological and sit in your mother's basement and have this kind of viewpoint, but I got to be honest, we all know it's a lot harder in the real world when you must pay rent. That's what I call motivation. Now, resentment over shareholders making money, that's a luxury that living off others can afford you if you're still in school. It's a luxury to have that opinion. It's not even ironic, though, that the founder of Panera Bread is talking like this when his company just a month ago announced they're going to trim staff so they could be more presentable for the initial public offering. By the way, speaking of IPOs, Morning Brew posted a shocking note. This really blew my mind. 3,200 private VC-backed startups have gone out of business this year. Golly, that's hard to imagine, right? They call it a mass extinction event. Now, they did note that the valuation of some of these companies at their peak was just crazy, right? I'm talking about some of them in Bird. I mean, the scooters are all over the place. You step on it, you break your ankle. Hopping, I don't know what the hell that is. WeWorks, oh, don't get me started. $47 billion. Smile Direct, $8.9 billion. Now, I do want to note that many of these names, though, they were trying to appeal to that same anti-profit crowd. And I've seen this before. In fact, I warned on this show so many times when we started over 10 years ago. I did a lot of segments against the Container Store. It went public in 2013, and they fired a shot across the bow of anyone who dares speak of their shareholders. Now, the founder called their experiment the yummy culture, and he really took on Milton Friedman and that whole crowd. He told Milton Friedman to pound sand, that they were going to do it the right way. They were going to take into account the environment and everything else. And if shareholders were still around, maybe they would get something. The stock went public, I'm telling you, around $49.50 a share. Take a look at the chart. It has been straight down. It's about $1.80 now, $1.80. Listen, I believe companies should treat customers right, obviously, provide amazing service. And it's smart because when they do that, people come back. But profits make the world go round, and shareholders take risk. By the way, any therapists that are sent to the C-suite would be charging a whole lot of money because you know what? They're not crazy. Money makes the world go round. I think Liz Clayman will agree with that.
Yeah, just like that song, Money Makes the World Go Around. Thank you, Charles.
See you later.
Very much.